Indramayu. It's a place known for its beautiful rice paddies that stretch across West Java. These fields are a testament to the region's agricultural heritage and the lifeblood of its people. These bright green fields are more than just a source of food. They represent a way of life, a connection to the earth that has been nurtured for generations. They're the setting for an old ceremony, a special event that connects tradition and hope. This ceremony is a living link to the past, a way to honor the ancestors and seek blessings for the future. This is the story of Ngarot, a celebration that brings the community together in a vibrant display of culture and unity. Imagine yourself standing in these rice fields. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of growing plants and the promise of a bountiful harvest. You can smell the earth and hear the soft sounds of insects. The gentle rustling of the rice plants creates a soothing symphony of nature. The sun shines on the water, making it sparkle like 1,000 tiny mirrors. Each reflection tells a story of hard work and dedication. It's a truly beautiful sight, showing the strong bond between people and nature. This harmony is essential for the prosperity of the land and its people. This land, so full of life, is also a place with strong traditions. These traditions are the foundation of the community's identity and resilience. The Ngarot ceremony, passed down from grandparents to parents to children, is a lively way of saying thank you for the good things the land provides. It's a celebration of gratitude and continuity. It's a time when everyone comes together to celebrate their heritage and ask for a good harvest. The sense of community and shared purpose is palpable. This ceremony, with its colorful clothes, lively music, and special rituals, shows the enduring spirit of Indramayu. It is a testament to the resilience and joy of its people, a vibrant expression of their cultural heritage. No one knows exactly when Ngarot began. The origins of this ancient tradition are shrouded in mystery, passed down through generations by word of mouth. Locals will tell you the word Ngarot comes from the Javanese word Ngarata, which means to make things even. This concept of balance is deeply rooted in their way of life. It's like smoothing the land to get it ready for planting. The farmers work tirelessly, ensuring the soil is perfect for the seeds. But Ngarot is more than just farming. It's a celebration of life, community, and the cycles of nature. It's a ritual with a special story behind it, a story that has been told and retold, each time adding a new layer of meaning. One story talks about a beautiful princess named Dewi Shri. She is revered not just for her beauty, but for her wisdom and generosity. She's known as the rice goddess, the one who protects the harvest. Her presence is felt in every grain of rice that is harvested. The story says that Dewi Shri gave the people of Indramayu the knowledge of how to grow rice. This knowledge was a gift that ensured their survival and prosperity. She taught them how to prepare the land, plant the seeds, and take care of the crops. Her teachings are still followed to this day, a testament to her enduring legacy. So, Ngarot is a way of honoring her gift and asking for her continued blessings. The rituals performed are a blend of gratitude and hope for a bountiful harvest. But like all good stories, the legend of Ngarot is more than just a tale. It's a living tradition that binds the community together. It reminds us that we depend on nature. Our lives are intertwined with the land, the water, and the seasons. It tells us that it's important to respect the land and work with its natural rhythms. This respect is not just a practice, but a philosophy that guides their way of life. This respect for nature is a big part of Indonesian culture, and Ngarot is a beautiful example of this belief. It is a celebration of harmony, balance, and the promise of prosperity. Days before the ceremony, the village hall, called the Balai Desa, becomes a busy place. People from all corners of the village converge here, bringing with them a sense of purpose and community spirit. This important building, the center of the village, is transformed. Colorful decorations are hung, and every corner is meticulously prepared to reflect the significance of the upcoming event. You can feel the excitement in the air as people of all ages gather to get ready for the celebration. Children run around, their laughter mingling with the chatter of adults, creating a lively atmosphere. Women, their laughter filling the hall, carefully make offerings called tumpeng. These offerings are made with great care and attention to detail, each one a work of art. These cone-shaped mounds of rice, decorated with different side dishes, are not just food. They are a symbol of prosperity and gratitude, each ingredient chosen for its meaning and significance. They represent the universe, a way of showing thanks for all of life's blessings. The tumpeng is placed at the center of the table, becoming the focal point of the ceremony. Meanwhile, men work hard, their voices blending together as they build bamboo shelters decorated with beautiful patterns. These structures are not just functional, but also a testament to the village's craftsmanship. These shelters will provide shade for everyone attending the ceremony. They stand tall and proud, ready to welcome the community. The sounds of hammers, saws, and people talking all mix together, creating a symphony of preparation. It's a harmonious blend of effort and anticipation. Every action, every little detail, shows the spirit of cooperation that makes this ancient tradition so special. It's a collective effort that brings the village together, reinforcing bonds and creating lasting memories. The Ngarot ceremony is more than just an event. It's a combination of tradition and meaning. The clothes worn by the participants are very important, full of symbolism. Each piece, from the beautifully designed hats to the colorful sarongs, tells a story of heritage and identity. The colors, patterns, and even the way the clothes are worn have deep meaning, passed down from one generation to the next. The Ngarot ceremony starts with a parade led by the village head, a person everyone respects. As the parade moves through the village, it brings everyone together to celebrate. The main event of the ceremony is a big meal where everyone eats together. This meal is more than just food. It's a symbol of unity and gratitude. It's a time for sharing stories, laughing, and enjoying being part of a close community. The Ngarot ceremony connects the past and the future. It reminds us of the wisdom of our ancestors and helps us think about the future we want for the next generation. It's a time to think about the values that unite the community and to imagine a future built on those strong foundations. Through Ngarot, the community honors its roots and looks to the future with a shared sense of purpose and hope.